Hello everyone. I would like to introduce to you. This is
Yes.
my husband's food for today. Many of you are asking what is this? This is a very healthy, delicious appetite for him. I called it cabbage rice. I know easily make it as a pure cabbage. It has a combination of rice in it, while the cabbage and the egg bits, just for now, because this is just a transition and it may cause him in his body, he may react it, so I put it a little rice, but eventually it gonna be a full cabbage. It's good for you too, for you, for me, for us.
Thank you, my
I hope
love.
you can try that too.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome, amore mio.
Buon appetito.